Are you shopping for life insurance, or did some insurance agent tell you that it would be a great investment to invest in a whole life policy? In this video, I'm going to go over a few major points that might make you rethink your insurance options. First off, congratulations on looking into protecting your family with life insurance. Or if you're thinking about it as an investment, here are a few points that'll really make you think. Okay, so let's take a step back for a second and let's look at it in a little bit different way. Let's say you're coming in to apply for a brand new bank account. Welcome to the new bank of Bart. Have a seat. Hey, so I'd like to open a new account with you guys. I heard you guys have some really good ones, and I think there was like one a friend of mine recommended. He said it was a pretty special account. Can you tell me more about that? Oh, so your friend told you about that. Yeah, so let me cover some of the basic rules of this new account for you. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right, so let me go over that first rule with you. So in the first 0 to 4 years, there's actually going to be no money and no balance in that account. And the reason for that is, we have this huge building that we're in. We have to pay our staff, the electric bill. So in the first 0 to 4 years, you're really not going to see any balance, okay? Okay, glad we're clear on that. All right, so the second thing is when you finally start to see some value in the account, you're gonna get a 4% interest rate, which is actually a little better than our normal savings accounts. So that sounds pretty good, right? 4%? Yeah, okay, that sounds pretty good. So the next rule with this account, the third one, is when you finally wanna start taking some money out of that account, you're allowed to borrow that money at an interest rate of 8%. Wait, borrow the money? What? Yeah, I know. Yeah, oh, and if it's attached to a life insurance policy that we have at the bank here, your family is gonna get the amount of insurance minus what you took out of that account until you pay it back. Yeah, so we're just gonna subtract that amount from what the life insurance would owe your family, yeah. All right, so last point is, you know how families fight over money, right? Okay, yeah. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna eliminate that. And if for some reason, God forbid, you pass, we're just gonna keep all the money that's in the account. That way your family doesn't have to fight over that money. Sounds pretty good, right? Wait, hold on, dude. Can you just say that again? Yeah, I can recap that for you. So in the first 0 to 4 years, there's gonna be zero balance in the account. Then once you finally start growing a balance, we'll give you a guaranteed 4% rate of interest. After that, once you start showing money, you can take that money out and you can borrow it at 8% until you pay it back. And lastly, we don't want your family fighting over any money. So if something were to happen to you and you were to pass away, we will actually keep all the money in this specific account. Oh, and if there was any loan against the account, we're going to subtract that from if you have a life insurance policy with our bank. So your family only get the difference of what you would have owed and what the policy was for. Okay? Knowing all that, how much do you have each month that you can set aside for this account? All right, so welcome back from the bank. And now you're probably thinking, what the heck was that? And what does that have to do with life insurance? So from my experience reading cash value life insurance policies over the last 10 years, many of the whole life policies that I've read work just like that bank account. So looking at it as an insurance policy, it's kind of expensive because you're paying for two things, but only really ever getting one. If they keep your cash if you pass away and take it away from you if you take out a loan against it, that's not really a good thing. Also, if they're only giving you 4% interest, but they're taking 8% on that loan for any money that you take out, kind of do the math on that one and let it play out for you. So as an investment, whole life insurance doesn't actually require a securities or investment license in order to sell it. It only requires a life insurance license. So therefore, it's really just kind of a savings plan and not an investment vehicle. I would say if you're looking for insurance, buy just insurance. A good term life policy is all most families will ever really need. And as far as the investment side, keep your investments separate from your insurance, and that way they'll benefit you a lot greater. And seek out the advice of a financial advisor that can help you with those investment choices. All right, so if you guys got any value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to see a little bit more about life insurance, here's another video right here that'll help you with that. See you guys in the next one.